It's the fourth week of my Becoming Us series, and I am extremely proud of myself. I have done a lot of things that normally would have given up on maybe the second day or the third day. But I'm 4 weeks strong, and that is a plus for me. This Wednesday was Eid, so I am currently at home. As you can see, the aesthetics is different. I'm currently at home to celebrate Eid. Eid is like one of those times that I get to like meet my family and connect with them again, my siblings, my parents, and have fun, laugh, just meet extended parts of the family. It's the fun period of the time, and I won't miss it for anything that has to do with coming together and meeting my family again. So, before I go back to school and continue the Shege Pro Max, the stress, I am having the most of this period. But of course, that didn't stop me from, continuing what I already started. I took time to like go through my embedded systems, go through French. It was a little bit more challenging because you're at home, you have to do a lot of things, but I still managed to like have some time, spend some time on them. And finally, the practical aspects of my course, my embedded system course, I am now writing code for drivers. I am building a driver or developing coding. Say driver in the sense that it's like building a function, like a package for your application to use. Let's take Arduino for example. Arduino IDE has like built-in functions like digital write, spin mode, stuff like that. But like you don't know how the low level part is. So that part where you're creating that function, that pin mode, creating that part of digital write, that's what I'm doing. We are currently like writing directly to the memory addresses, directly to registers, looking for the register addresses of the application. It was fun because I had to write a lot of address. It was very boring at a point, but it was fun as well, kind of like, oh, this is how it works, this is how they actually do it. And I finally get to use my logic gates. I've always been a fan of logic gates since like 200 level, but now I get to use it in code, and I didn't even know that was possible, but actually it is. And I was able to use it to like enable, disable pins and everything like that. I still have a long way to go because I still have to write drivers for I2C, SPI, UART, but we're currently on GPIO drivers, and I feel like that will be the easiest one. I feel like there's still more to come, and I'm finally happy that I'm past the theoretical part and I actually do understand what I'm trying to achieve. So this week was a lot of fun and a lot of growth for me personally. So now that I'm 4 weeks in, I have to complete it and I have to stay focused and consistent. So whatever you are doing, start it. Just start. You'll figure it out on the way. Bye for now. See you next week.